Assalamualaikum, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer in Windows 11. For downloading the Cisco Packet Tracer, we have to go to the browsing site and we have to write the Cisco Packet Tracer. Here is the official website that we enter the sites. Then go scroll down. Getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer full course. Skills for all, click here. Options. Here this link we have to click for the downloading. Before here, if you want to download, then you have to log in this site. So already I have logged in, that's why the login Chandni Ayesha is here. As because our Windows 64-bit version, that's why we will download this and click here. It's downloading. So the packet tracer is downloaded. Now we open the execution file. Press yes. I accept the agreement. Next. We have the folder. It's installing. Click finish. It's opening. See, it has come. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.